Welcome back to Auto Adventure. Today we dive into the all-new 2026 Audi A6 Sedan, a perfect blend of luxury performance and cutting-edge technology that continues to define Audi's reputation in the executive sedan segment. From the moment you see it, the 2026 A6 commands attention with its refined yet sporty stance, featuring a wider single-frame grille, sharper LED matrix headlights, and a more sculpted body that improves both aerodynamics and road presence. Audi has clearly focused on evolution rather than revolution, and the result is a design that feels modern, powerful, and elegantly understated at the same time. Step inside and the cabin immediately surrounds you with premium craftsmanship and futuristic innovation. Soft leather upholstery, fine wood or aluminum trim options, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional sedan. The digital cockpit has been further refined for 2026, offering a fully customizable driver display alongside a large central touchscreen that controls infotainment, navigation, climate, and vehicle settings with seamless responsiveness. Under the hood, the Audi A6 continues to offer a range of efficient yet powerful engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 variants depending on the market. Audi's mild hybrid technology plays a key role in improving fuel efficiency while also delivering smoother acceleration and quicker start-stop transitions. The Quattro all-wheel drive system remains one of the strongest highlights, ensuring exceptional grip and stability whether you are driving on highways, city streets, or challenging weather conditions. On the road, the 2026 A6 feels incredibly composed. Steering is precise and well-weighted, giving the driver confidence at higher speeds, while the adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, ensuring maximum comfort. Whether cruising effortlessly on the highway or navigating tight urban roads, the A6 maintains a smooth, refined, and quiet driving experience that reflects its premium positioning. The 2026 Audi A6 Sedan continues to be one of the strongest contenders in the luxury midsize segment. It successfully combines elegant design, advanced technology, strong performance, and everyday usability into a single refined package. If you are looking for a sedan that delivers prestige without being overly flashy, comfort without compromise, and innovation without complexity, then the new A6 stands out as a truly balanced choice in its class.